Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2014 1315 Nissan Altima. Transmission was being replaced. People ask me that if they have a Judder coat and they change the oil and reset it, is that going to be okay? I would say that oil change by itself, it may fix the problem, it may not fix the problem. Is the transmission already getting, if you already have a transmission issue that is already mechanically or causing a slippery, it will not fix the problem. You have to fix the transmission first. But instead of go directly, this is the Judder coat, instead of go directly and just start rebuilding the transmission, you cannot delete this code, by the way. You have to do the transmission chart characteristic right. If it's not, you cannot be able to do it. We have this code, we have this software already here, and hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let me turn the car off, ignition on, push the brake and gas together. Put the car in reverse, click next. Okay, start. Now you have to come back, remove your feet, put this car back, remove your brake, your feet from the brakes, and do the next. Turn the key off for 2 seconds. If not, it will not tell you to go next step. Ignition on, then click next. Now right, complete, and go back to diagnose, change to orange. You can erase it now and it's good to go. Close. Okay, now I'm going to start my car. Everything will be okay. But erasing this code not meaning the transmission will be fixed. It means that if it's fixed, it's okay. If it's not, you have to shift towards the next step, which is to put the transmission, try to drop it down, fix it. But if you have a used transmission, you put it from the junkyard, that means as soon as you clear it, it will be okay. If that thing come by itself and you have no issue, just keep driving. It will not affect the trans because you have no other means. But resetting it, it may work again for good. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.